Welcome to our last lesson number 5. We have already seen the concept of classroom engagement, the benefits of classroom engagement. Also, we have seen the strategies of engaging students. And our previous lesson was about the skills that a 21st century learner need to have. And we have already seen the 2 skills. So in this lesson 5, we are going to wind up the remaining skills that a 21st century learner need to have. The learning objective of this lesson, as always, as the previous one, it was about at the end you'll be able to identify the 21st century learner skills for a learner. You'll be able to identify the 21st century skills for a learner. And before we get into our lesson, let us have a reflection spot as always. Before we are getting into our lesson, let us have a reflection spot with the question say that now that you know the first 2 skills, think of one other skill that you need your students to learn. Explain how you can help your students to achieve that skill in your class. I'll give you a few minutes for you to discuss yourself, then you have tried your response in the notebook or Google Docs. Okay, welcome back. So in this lesson 5, the last lesson, we are going to finish up the other skills that a 21st century learner need to have in this lesson. Welcome back. So in this lesson 5, we are going to finish up the other skills that a 21st century learner need to have. The third skill is creativity skills. Creativity is a natural ability that is found in every young learner. Creativity develops when students are able to analyze the information they have learned, make new connection with that information, come up with the new ideas, and evaluate their choices. To nurture creativity, students need the freedom to offer ideas and express themselves without judgment. In a creative classroom, all contributions from students are welcome. Creativity requires the courage to make mistakes. Sir Ken Robinson states, if you are not prepared to be wrong, you will never come up with anything original. A creative classroom is a joyful and motivating place where children feel empowered to learn, where all ideas are welcomed and where learning is deep and meaningful. Children who are allowed to be creative are better learners, and they are more aware of their own learning style. Creativity is a lifelong skill that our students will take with them into their adult lives to solve problems and help build a better world. So the other skills is communication skills. A classroom environment relies heavily on the quality of communication taking place within it. Students with effective communication skills will be more likely to contribute to class discussions, will be more productive members in group projects, and will ultimately gain more from their experience in class. The following steps can be implemented to improve your students' communication skills with the intent of strengthening the classroom experience. Establish the ground rules and norms for class discussion early on. Encourage all students to participate in class discussion. Avoid focusing on the students that are always willing to answer. Look for responses from the entire classroom and be willing to take the time for them to emerge. Assign frequent opportunities for small group discussion in order to contribute to the larger discussion. Adopt a policy of openness with your students when you make a change to the class structure or give an assignment. Be open with your students about your intention and seek their feedbacks. This is about the communication skills. And the last one is the problem-solving skills. Problem solving is the process of applying a method not known in advance to a problem that is subject to a specific set of conditions and that the problem solver has not seen before, in order to obtain a satisfactory solution. Wood Dr. et al. 1975 says in the book Teaching Problem Solving Skills, Engineering Education, Volume 1, number 1, page 238, Washington, D.C. provides model of problem solving. The first one is to define the problem. Define the problem, which kind of problem do you have? The second one is think about it. Think about the problem. What are the possible ways to overcome the problem? The third one is plan a solution. So after you have think about the problem, after you have seen the ways of how to overcome the problem, then you have to plan for a solution. You have to plan for a solution. Number 4, carry out the plan. After you have planned the solution, then you have to carry out. Then you have to go with your plan so that you can solve your problem. And number 5 is to look back. Look back, that means to evaluate from the beginning up to where you are. Give the students a problem and teach them step to step on how to get a solution from that problem. After that, assign them into different problems to solve themselves. So this is about problem solving. Then after that, I have to give you an activity, as always, from the above lesson on the 21st century skills learner. What is your plan on how to impact these skills to your students? What is your plan on how to impact these skills to your students?
This is the end of our modules, which was about the classroom engagement. We have seen the concept of classroom engagement. Also, we have seen the benefits of classroom engagement, strategies of classroom engagement, and the last part was about the 21st century skills for a learner. I hope that now you have something to talk about the classroom engagement. And this is the end. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.